Good morning, YouTube. My project for today is to remove that and install that with those. So I'll come back in a minute when I get this stuff out, but I gotta read my directions first. Alright, talk to you in a minute. Now, I suggest everybody do this, but as a practice, I like to lay everything out that comes in a kit like this. See what I'm working with. And as you can see, there's quite a bit more stuff with this one than there was with the one I put on the Camaro there. So it's going to take a minute. I still haven't got this out, but it's coming. Okay, it's now a couple hours later, and as you can see, I've got it installed. There's all the spare parts. And then over here is what I had left over that I didn't use. Of course, you gotta get a little blood into it. But I haven't quite figured out some of this stuff, but I think I got it. This little jewel here was about the hardest thing there was. Anyway, now I gotta do the fuel trims, relearn the computer because it's a little different now. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay, now I'm over here at my HP Tuner terminal, and I am gone in and I've reset my long-term fuel trims and put it back on learn. Let me show you what I'm doing here. I've got it on scan right now. Trying to see if I get any misfires or any issues. So we're going to go over here to the engine special functions here, controls and special functions, and we're going to go to the fuel system. All right, and this is a long-term fuel trim learn. All right, a long-term fuel trim reset. So I reset the fuel trims and put it on relearn. And I believe it's been doing that for the past minute or two. We won't have any misfires. Fuel pressure looks good. All right. Still cold. All right. Now this computer in this car is the same computer that's in my Camaro SS. So I can use the basic same layout that I use for the Camaro in here on this one. And see, now the neat thing about HP Tuner is you can do all kinds of neat stuff to troubleshoot your system. When I had the check engine code on the Camaro, I was getting lean fuel fuel. I had to fix that air leak, that vacuum leak in there, and I was getting really high fuel trims. That's what was setting the check engine light. So this is it. I'm gonna have to take her out for a test drive here in a minute. I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys with me or not. I'm still debating. Talk to you later.